is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be buying a OFT tune, which is open flash tablet, which is basically a tune for the BRZ and FRS, and they make a bunch of other tunes for different cars. But it's a tune that a lot of people rock. It's pretty popular on the BRZ and FRS chassis. Basically, you can get like a stage 1 tune and get some power out of your car, or you can do stage 2, which is with the unequal length headers, and I think something else. And then that'll also allow you to run E85. So that is my goal. I know this video is kind of weird and funny because like I said that I don't care to make power out of this car, but there's something about these cars that a lot of people know about that this car is notorious for, is that torque dip in the 3 to 4, like 3.5 to 5.5K range. It's like a little dip, so like you're like climbing up the rev range, the power band, and then it kind of just dips and then it kind of rises again. It's just like Subaru did that on purpose to increase fuel consumption. I don't know why fuel consumption was that much of a priority in a car like this. I mean, I know it's like a cheap car, but like I feel like it shouldn't have been that important. It's already so underpowered, so I feel like they should have just left it. But whatever, it is what it is. Basically, this tune and having unequal length headers really opens up the car, and it helps it have that torque dip completely deleted, and it just flattens out the power band. And it's something that I'd like to have. It's really safe and reliable, and then also being able to run E85 100% is huge. You're probably thinking like, yo, don't you need like new injectors and like a fuel filter or whatever? No, on the FA20 motor, really all you need is this OFT tune, and literally that's all you need, and then you can run E85 100% in the tank. So 11 or 12 full gallons of E85 I will be starting to run. But anyway, guys, we're on our way to get this tune. I will basically update you guys. If he lets me record, I'll just start recording from then on. If not, I'll just tell you guys what happened in the end, and I'll show me putting E85 into the BRZ, which would be super fun. So let's see what goes down. All right, so we're here with the seller of the Flash tune. What's your name again?
Israel.
Israel. All right. So what he's gonna do is help me set this up and explain. Basically to me, he's not gonna talk to you guys, but once he explains it to me, I'll explain it to you guys. So first, what we're gonna do is, I'm guessing, is connect it to the OBD2.
Yes, but this are a little weird, so you always gotta make sure that this is connected first.
Okay, so you so you line that up.
First.
Looks pretty straightforward. Okay, and then I'll connect this. I know it's in a weird spot. Bro, do I really have to open the door, lay down there, and check? I think I might have to actually open the door, lay down there, and check. Yeah. Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay, hold it. Hold this. Hold this. You good? Okay, hold on. Cool. Alright. Obviously. There she goes. Okay. There we go. Oh my god, this is really Japanese, eh?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Alright. Okay, so now we got that plugged in.
Yep.
Keep the doors shut, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do we do with this? Maybe you can hold it because you know what to do. Put this down because it's kind of in the way.
Okay, so that's the starting screen.
Okay.
What do you have your car right now?
Just accessory mode, I guess.
Yeah. Is that it?
There we go.
Right.
Now it is. Sorry, my bad. So do tuning.
See, that's when you're gonna choose your car.
Wait. They have stuff for BMW on this?
Yeah.
No way. What the hell? Okay.
As a Toyota.
Okay, Toyota. Wait, no, you hit Beamer.
Yeah. So we go to Toyota. That's the only option it has right now.
Okay.
GT86.
Does it matter if it's not a GT86?
I believe not. Let me just make sure.
Yeah, let's just find out, and then because I don't think there's a difference.
Yeah, because that's all the cars that you can tune it to.
Okay, well he has a BRZ, so and this is what he used, so I guess it's fine. It's not a big deal. So now what are we gonna do? Read or write?
Read.
Read.
You can't write anything right now, because.
Okay. Do you have the USB to connect it to?
Yes.
Okay, so it's right here. So this is what I'll need to put like any tune I want, and then
okay. You can mess with the numbers.
I'll figure it out. And the internet is great.
Yeah, no, I'm not very technical with that stuff, so I just use it for my tune.
Just straightforward.
Yeah, and then to like sometimes look at what's going on.
Oh yeah, everything that's there.
Yeah.
I need to get something sticky and put it here, or maybe there. I don't know. We'll see. So reading in progress. Please do not interrupt this process. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it tells you the battery voltage too of the car.
Really?
I guess that's what that is. I mean, who knows? So I'll let you guys know how long this takes. I'm just not gonna make you guys sit through this, so just give us a second.
Let's check some more.
Okay.
Okay. Fuel gauge. Okay. So
we're gonna do 93 right now, guys. We're not gonna do 85 because I need to get home first, and I just have too much gas.
Yeah.
So.
So you go to tuning, yeah.
Right.
And obviously you got your choices there. This is stage 1, That's stage 2 equal length, and you want stage 2 unequal length. So that's gonna be for you. And this is the unequal length, E85. So whenever you want to tune your stuff.
Okay, sweet, I got it. So then, no, oh, there you go, yep. Unequal length. Okay.
Writing in progress, and not interrupt this process. Okay, that's when you don't touch anything.
So now we have to do nothing and sit around and wait. So we're just gonna wait on this, guys. Just give us however long this takes. I'll let you know how long it takes. So that took roughly about, I want to say 5 minutes. Now it says key off and confirm, so I'm just gonna key it off, hit OK. You can do it. Do the honors, man. Let's see. Key on and confirm. Okay. Turn it on.
No, just a key.
Okay, accessory.
Yep.
So hit OK. Okay. Boom, car blows up, imagine.
Fuck it.
Riding complete, switch off ignition and start engine and let idle for 45 seconds before driving. So switch off ignition.
Turn it off.
So turn it off.
And then turn it all the way on.
My check engine light is gone, which is weird. I guess because of the tune. What's weird is I don't have a bad idle. My idle's fine. So 45
There were like little differences here and there though. Or maybe the car just went for a little bit.
Who knows? I'm definitely gonna look into that though, because I don't trust it. All right, so we're gonna let the car idle for 45 seconds. It's been about maybe, I don't know, 25 seconds. So, oh, can't have that playing in the background. Can't have that playing in the background. I'm gonna get a nice copyright infringement. All right, so we're gonna get this, and then I guess we'll get some film of me getting a feel of it with this tune, and then I'll pay you. Or I can just kidnap you and just keep the tune and the money. I'm just kidding.
You want to hit the highway or the park? There's a park right here. That
I don't want to go what the I'm in freaking third, bro. Wait, why wasn't the car moving?
I feel like a cameraman now.
Yeah, man, you're the cameraman.
Right.
Oh, why does it feel so...
This is my hood.
Why does it feel so weird?
It's probably adjusting. Yeah, it feels weird at first, but you'll get used to it.
Like my clutch isn't biting. Oh no, we're good. It feels smoother in a way. Straight is good?
Yeah, go straight. And then make a right on this.
Okay. So is there like a rule of like just driving calm for like a little and then starting to beat on it, or is it just tune and go?
Good. Usually, because this is like
I feel like I'm too far from home to it definitely adjusted the throttle.
So I want to see if the check engine light comes on too.
Oh yeah.
A little more responsive.
No, I'm not gonna. Oh yeah, the throttle feels better, but I'm too far from home to like risk something going wrong.
I feel you.
We're all the way in Jersey City, guys, by the way, so.
It's Newark.
Oh yeah, whatever, same shit. This is a really nice twisty road right by your house.
Just careful because of this whole bullshit, there's like a cop over there. But
oh yeah?
I don't think he's there yet. Just watch out, that's what I'm saying. Like right now you can just...
I don't know. Throttle response feels better. So one thing I had a gripe with this car was the throttle response. Like you just tap it and it just flies to 4K. Can't really feel anything yet. I'm too scared to floor it.
Yeah, you gotta go on the highway for that.
Yeah, for sure. This is nice though, man. You live in a nice neighborhood.
Oh, thank you.
It's crazy. Holy shit. Show them the road so they can see these nice ass roads. Like, twisty roads.
How many times I took this car around this place?
Yeah, you miss it, right?
Oh, dude.
That must suck. I know.
That was my baby, man.
Bro, I crashed my M3, so it's just sitting in the shop right now. We're fixing it, so I really miss it. Even while having this, I still miss it.
You fix it?
No, my shop is doing it for me. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, the check engine light's gone, so
yeah.
I don't know. Guys, let me just end the video off. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just drive this home, and then I guess I'll give you guys more impressions when I get home, and I'll end the video off at my house. But in terms of E85, I guess I'll make that in the next vlog of me filling it up entirely with the E85 and then getting impressions on that and seeing the difference on that. But right now it's too early to tell anything and any difference, so I'll catch you guys in a second. All right guys, so I'm finally back in my neighborhood. On the drive home, I learned a lot about this tune. Basically, on 91, the way it is, or 93, sorry, with the stage 2 93 tune with unequal length headers, which is what I have. It's actually picked up and kicked out the torque dip pretty well. It actually feels really good in 4th gear mostly. I feel like in 4th gear, that's where you feel most of the difference, because that's kind of where like you sit mostly, is when you're in 4th gear and you're going like 55, 60. I'm pretty sure you're like in the 3.5 to 4K range, exactly where the dip would be at. So you really do feel like a pickup in the torque dip now, which is really good. I feel like it's a lot more dailyable now, and it feels like just a lot better to drive, and it's just more pleasurable. Let me step outside really fast. Now I've realized that I have quite the dilemma. Let me leave my door open before this thing locks me out. Now I realize I have quite the dilemma right now with this tune. So basically what it is that I have two options. Either run E85, which I really would love to do, or at least try it out once. Just have a full tank of E85 and enjoy that and see how much power we get. Which I don't really care for with this car, like I've been saying for this entire time. I don't really care for the power. I just liked, you know, the thought of not having a little torque dip, because that torque dip was really annoying. And it made the car a lot harder to enjoy in certain, because you really live in the torque dip. Exactly where that dip is, like they purposely put it there. So like exactly where that dip is where you normally stay at. So having that gone now is huge and really important. So I'll have two options: either run E85 and that's it, or, because I don't think I can do both, run a burble, pops and crackles, bang, whatever they call it in the Subaru world or in the JDM world. We call it burbles. BMW people call it burbles. I don't know if it's the same. I don't know. I told the guy, Israel, who sold me this tune, does it do burbles? And he's like, what is that? So I was like, oh, okay, that's that. So there's two options: either run E85 or have burbles. Since the way it is right now on the 93 stage 2 tune, I actually like the way it drives already. So I'm gonna see how the pops and the burbles are. If the burbles are, you know, if they sound good and they sound sick and they sound cool, I'll just run burbles. But right now I'm gonna go home, learn how to, you know, add stuff to this and stuff, and then I'll show you guys my reaction and impressions of each and every tune. So I'll definitely make a separate video on that. But aside from that, yeah, I have a safe ride home. The tablet is unmarried, thank God. So now it's married to my car, so we're good on that note. But yeah, really cool piece of technology here. Like it's very basic, but it's cool how it like has live communication with the ECU, which is really cool. So it reads everything out to you. Pretty sick, not gonna lie. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have a lot of other things coming for this car soon, and I really want to I want to eventually start focusing once the weather gets a lot better on the E36, because I really want that car back in my hands so I can enjoy it, because I really want a car with some power. But yeah, that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if this just felt like I vlogged myself going there, tuning in, and coming back, and you guys don't get any reaction or any like difference. You guys don't really get to see it, and I'm sorry, because honestly, even as somebody who's driving the car, you barely do notice the difference. Like, I feel like if I had done the header and the tune at the same exact time from stock, I'd notice a huge difference. But since I did it, you know, piece by piece, one by one, I don't really feel that much of a difference. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.